You love it how I move you. You love it how I touch you, my one. When all is said and done, you will believe God is a woman.
Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and start this tutorial. I'm starting out with pretty dirty hair. I had already done this look or whatever yesterday, and I didn't film it, but this is what my hair looking like. Oh, it's kind of cute. I like this. Okay, I like this. I like it. Let's see, like I have kind of a bang in the front, and the rest of it is down. So I'm just going to part my hair. So the head I want to go to like so. My hair. If I want to see more about your hair videos, let me know. So you're gonna make the first row. You know, about this much hair. This probably be like 2 or 3 curls. And this is the one curler I'm using. This side, this is how big my hand is compared to it. You don't want them too big, but you don't want them too small. Curl to the root as much as possible and hold down the end piece so it won't be like straight. And then once you got it on, to kind of roll the hair closer to your head and hold it for about 15 seconds and hold the curl for about 5 seconds. And as far as like which way you should like flip it, if I were to part my hair down the middle, then this side would be flipped this way, this side would be flipped that way. So that's why I got my glove on this hand, and then I'm having the one curl this hand, so I'm swirling it like this. That's a good point. So with this one being in the middle, I'm just gonna do it like the first curl was. Let it go. Hold the curl. And now I'm about to switch the glove to the other hand. You can see I'm twisting it toward the back. Holding down the ends is very important if your hair is natural, because your ends can get really frizzy. And you can also put on like a heat protectant. Since I already have a lot of products in my head, I didn't choose to do so. You can do bigger sections toward the back and small ones toward the front. Like this is a fairly small one. Hold it toward the back. Hold it for 15 seconds. However long you want to hold it. I would do the full 15 if you just blow dried it, but if your hair is already straight, and then I'll maybe do 10. If you do mess it up like this, just take it and twirl it. I remember one time I was wanding my hair, and I had the glove on the hand where I was holding the one. Like, let's say I'm holding the one with this hand, I had the glove on this hand, burning the mess out of the other hand. Wasn't even thinking. Smoky as hell in here. I'll go on the front, and I think I want to do 2 sections, kind of middle part, but kind of not, and divide it up again. So it's kind of stacked. When you stack it, you get more volume that way. So that's a good tip. And when I'm curling the front, I'm following that same pattern of curling it backwards. Also bringing the wand toward the front, the curls will fall to the front like that. And this will also give me a little nice bang look. Now my roots looking nappy now, but I don't mind it. Once I pick them out, it's gonna kind of camouflage it. And you can also like put a pin so that the curl will come up higher. How much the color has grown out of this hair. This hair like it's a weave or something. I got my hair dyed last year, maybe around April. Yeah, it was April because it was Easter time. My hair was bright red. I'll insert a picture, but it's pretty much to my ends. I would say halfway, maybe 75% of it is brown. I'm still debating on if I want to re-dye it. Yeah, I've started back going to the gym. I'm very proud of myself. Dang, I messed that one up, but I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I'm doing 4 days a week. Okay, so I'm gonna come back on camera once I'm finished with this section. Okay, y'all, I am back and I just finished this section, and this is how it all looks before it's all fluffed out. And if you want, you can wear it like this. I've seen a girl, she wear like this and it kind of got like fluffier on its own. But if you're like me and you want more frizz, then I will just go in and separate. So let's say this one from the back. You know, kind of how you would separate the twist out, the braid out. But only separate them once. And I'll twist it like that just to give me some more volume. I'm really just doing this for the camera because I would probably go to bed like this so, you know, the curls can set a little more. And then fluff them out in the morning. But I don't know, y'all want to see the finished look. So I'm going to go ahead and fluff it out for y'all. Gotta be really careful with the front. I really like my business to be just in the back, so that my front looks more defined. But just try to be careful if you want that same look. If you use little frizz, all you gotta do is take your finger and roll it around. I think that's the one I messed up. And that, you guys, is the finished look. And you can separate it more if you like, but I like how it is right here. Of course, it'll get bigger throughout the day, but I think this is a nice fall hair. I should title the video. I should title my video. I should title my video that, you know, fall hair tutorial, just because curls, they don't last long at all. In the summer, they get poofy, and yeah, in the wintertime it's like it's windy, but fall is like perfect. And you know, this color and stuff, like, I'm really feeling this. Yeah, thumbs up if you love. Thumbs up this video if you. Okay, thumbs up this video if you think that I need to work on my talking, because apparently I didn't talk today. But yeah, subscribe to my channel and comment down below any looks that y'all want to see in the future, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Notice. Fuck boy, notice.
I'm the only lady here, still the realest nigga in the room. I break the internet top 2 and I ain't number 2.